Hey guys, it's Morella from Morella & Co Creations, and today I am going to take you guys through how I made the skirt for the snow outfit. I know I was just working on the smoke outfit, but my partner and I are moving and everything is packed up right now and a lot is going on, so I have not had that much time to sew. The smoke outfit is something I want to focus a little bit more on because it has to be a little bit more tedious since it's something that I kind of never done before as far as the top goes, and that's the last thing I have to do. So today I was just working on the skirt a little bit because I know that I can do the skirt for snow pretty quickly. So yeah, we are going to go through that process. Hope you guys enjoy. So I started off by lighting a candle so I can get the smells right in there. And then I laid out my fabric, just flat, folded, and I cut about 4 or 5 inches off of the top. Then I measured out where I wanted to cut my waist. And then, as always, I cut smaller, and if I want to go bigger, I can go bigger, because if you cut bigger, you can't go smaller. So I cut just a little bit bigger than my waist because I'm actually going to use elastic on the waistband, so I want to make sure that it can go over my body. After I got the waist cut the way I wanted to, I folded it into 2s, and then I decided that I wanted to fold it into 3s so I could cut the bottom of the skirt the way that I wanted it. After that, I cut the waistband out of the remaining fabric. I cut about 2.5 inches, and then I folded the remainder of the fabric up just in case. After I got everything cut the way I wanted it, I serged all of the edges of the skirt. Then I serged the 2 pieces of the skirt together so it will make one complete skirt. After I decided that the skirt was the way I wanted it to be, I got to work on the waistband. I decided to do this with elastic, and I don't work with elastic much, but I try my best. So I cut out a piece of elastic that was shorter than the size of the waistband, and then I serged the piece of elastic to the waistband and I stretched it. After I sewed the elastic to the ends, I enclosed the elastic inside of the waistband, so that way it gave that little ruffle that the elastic gives when you stretch it. This gave me the perfect look that I was going for, and the waistband was complete. Then I grabbed the bottom of the skirt and it was time to attach it to the waistband. So in this part of the video, you will see that I have black thread on the bottom, so do as I say and not as I do, because all of my white thread is packed up somewhere and I cannot find it. So, when in Rome, do what the Romans do. So here you'll just see me making sure that the skirt matches up with the seams and that it fits the waistband the way that it's supposed to. I gathered it a little bit and just to make sure that the fit was perfect. I then sewed it good side to good side all the way around. I cut all the threads out, I just flipped it inside out and I tried it on. I really like the way this looks. This isn't everything that's going to happen to it, but it's very pretty just from this part. I do want to make the elastic a little bit bigger, but other than that, I really like it. It's not for me, it's for someone a little bit taller than me, so it'll look way better on them. But yeah. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you already haven't subscribed. And if you have, go ahead and hit that bell button so you can get notifications for when we post. Also, in the description, there is a link to my website, which will allow you to sign up for email newsletters, which will keep you up to date with what's going on in the YouTube, also what's in the store. You also will get a lot of coupons and promotional codes that we have going on. So if that's something that you would be interested in, please sign up for it, and we will see you guys on Sunday.